Thank you so much for joining me on the College of Style YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Sandra Colton-Medici, and this is a very special episode. This is our very first design tutorial here on our College of Style YouTube channel, so I'm really excited because this one is a very quick one. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos here on YouTube, thank you so much for joining me. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you like what you see on this video, make sure to hit that bell notification so that you know every single time one of our videos is uploaded. So snag your freebie down below and make sure to look at the description. All of the descriptions of my YouTube videos have resources listed right there in the description. Some of the links may have affiliate links in them, which means when you shop through my page, I may receive a commission, but will not cost you anything extra. I only recommend products that I would use myself, so I hope that you love some of them just as much as I do. Let's get started. I am a Canva creator, so I'm constantly creating on Canva different social media templates and media kits and a lot of different items that you may have seen on my shop. If you haven't been to my shop, it is located at shopcollegeofstyle.com, and there are a ton of different business templates that may work for you in upleveling your business and your online presence. For today's tutorial, I wanted to focus on something that I don't see a lot of people doing. So we're gonna have a little bit of a different setup for this one. You will see more of the screen focused on the actual design platform. So let's start. So when you go to Canva, you can click onto where it says Home, Templates, Features, and Learn. Where you want to go to for this particular feature is on the Features tab. You want to go down to where it says Apps and just click on where it says Apps. It will pull up where it says Discover Apps, and you can click and search for new apps, tools, and integrations right there. But what I want to bring your attention to today is all of the different scrolling features down here. So on this one, you can see Design with your favorite media is this front row, Enhance your images is the next row, Supercharge your workflow is the following row. But let's just focus in on Design with your favorite media. So on this row, if you scroll, it just keeps going with all the different apps that you can look at. But the one that I want to point out to you, it's called QR code. And if you look at it, it's a little bit of a grayed background. You can click on that and it brings up another screen. On this other screen, it says generate a QR code in seconds. Perfect for business cards, posters, and more. Enter a URL and we'll create a QR code for you to add to your designs. Now, a lot of times people don't do this, and I'm wondering why have we not been doing this? Because it makes total sense. So if you remember, this is a perfect example of a brand that actually used a QR code with the utmost branding opportunity, the Super Bowl. So Coinbase actually used a QR code for their commercial on game day, and it went crazy viral. So when you want to add something that's in Canva that is super quick to do to your business card or even some of your digital assets, definitely look at this feature. You want to click into where it says use a design right here, and you can customize wherever you want to put it on a design. So for us right now, we're going to just click into Facebook post. Now that you're in the Facebook post, let me move my photo a little bit here. You can see that this is the size of the Facebook post. And on this left-hand side over here, it says QR code. Add a URL and we'll create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So we're just going to put in right now, http://www.collegeofstyle.com. And once you've put this into your field, you can click Generate Code. And voila, there is your QR code. Now, once you have that there, it's not really your design. You could make it into something else. So let's just add a few other features. We can go into our brand colors and make it pink. We can add our logo, just so that we're not making it anything less than College of Style brand. And if we wanted to, we could just, add a call to action. But for this purpose, all I wanted to do was make sure that you knew that you could literally make a QR code for your business in seconds. Now, I'm going to show you how it works. So once you have created your QR code, I would always recommend to test it out. So I wanted to make sure that as we are testing it, you can see that if you hold your phone up to the screen, wherever it is that the QR code is placed, and you have your camera on, you can see that there's an outline of the QR code and a website link where you've actually told it to direct people to. So once people click through, it should go to that URL. You always want to test out links before you publish them. So as you're designing, make sure to put the link in there, design your design, and then test it before and after you publish it so that you know that it goes to the right URL. Thank you so much for joining me on this very special edition of the College of Style YouTube channel video tutorial series. I am so excited about doing these video tutorials because I'm constantly doing tutorials anyways, and I haven't had a chance to do one specifically for our channel. So I will be doing a lot more of these on Squarespace, Showit, CANVA, PicMonkey, and maybe even the newer Adobe Spark, now changed to Adobe Creative Cloud Express. So if you have anything that you would like me to focus on as far as features, design tutorials, branding, I'll be doing a lot of all of that, but if you have any specific questions, drop down into the comments and ask your questions so that I can make sure that upcoming videos incorporate your questions and get those answered. And I'd love to work with you. Make sure that you schedule your brand audit today. You can go to https://collegeofstyle.link/brand audit. I look forward to working with you soon. And as I always say, see you on the next one.